From my perspective as a math and physics major, I always gravitated more towards problems that made more conceptual sense. For computer science students, they like code. Engineers, they like to see the stuff that's physical and practical. So in PAL sessions, it's nice because you can pinpoint certain problems and design them in a way that will be engaging to students specifically.
The way I view PAL sessions is more of like a recitation. It gives you an area to stay and do your homework by yourself, or you can ask questions. It's genuinely just a space where you can feel comfortable to do your work. It's also another friend to have, somebody else in your major who might be able to guide you in the right ways to go.
The students that go to the PAL workshops statistically do much better in almost every instance. They also get the benefit of seeing a successful student and how they act, and learning those kinds of, just soft skills that are necessary for success in college that aren't necessarily taught or easy to pick up, in addition to working on class material as well.
Please don't feel intimidated to come. Just stop by, even if it's for a little bit. Just check it out and see what it's about.